Hey there! If you often tinker with electronics or small gadgets, having the right tool can make all the difference. Today, we're exploring the best mini electric screwdriver set, featuring the Chardon E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set here on Budget Buying. Let's get started. The Chardon E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is designed to make precision work easier and faster. Whether you're repairing a smartphone, assembling a small device, or working on cameras and watches, this tool provides the control and accuracy you need. Its compact design lets you handle delicate electronics without worrying about damaging components, while still delivering enough power for everyday repairs. One of the standout features of the Chardon E1 is its precise torque control. You can switch between high torque at 0.35 Newton meters, low torque at 0.15 Newton meters, and a manual option of 7 Newton meters, giving you the perfect amount of force for each task. This versatility ensures your screws are driven accurately without slipping or stripping, which is essential when working with delicate gadgets. Another great aspect is the included 24 precision bits. From Phillips, Torx, and Flathead to Tri-Wing, Hex, Pentalobe, Triangle, and U-Type, this set has all the tools you might need. The magnetizer tool and opening picks make it even easier to handle tiny screws and components, while the organized portable case keeps everything neat and ready to go. This makes it perfect for both home projects and on-the-go repairs. Battery life is another strong point. With a 350 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Chardon E1 can deliver up to 500 screw operations on a single charge. Operating at 200 rotations per minute, it works quickly, and the USB-C charging port means you can recharge it fully in under an hour. That kind of efficiency keeps you working without long interruptions. Ergonomics and design were clearly considered in the Chardon E1. The screwdriver feels comfortable in hand, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. The front button drives screws in, while the rear button unscrews them, keeping your workflow intuitive. Plus, 3 built-in LED lights illuminate your workspace, helping you see small components clearly, even in dimly lit areas. Its precise concentricity of less than 0.3 millimeters ensures that every screw is positioned exactly where it should be, giving you professional-level accuracy every time. The compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and store, so whether you're at home, at a workstation, or traveling, this tool is always ready for action. In real life, this screwdriver set transforms tedious repairs into smooth, efficient tasks. From tightening loose screws in your laptop to replacing parts in your smartwatch, the Chardon E1 gives you confidence and precision in every move. It's ideal for electronics enthusiasts, tech repair professionals, and anyone who enjoys DIY projects involving small mechanical or electronic devices. Upgrade your toolkit today and make your small-scale repairs faster, easier, and more precise. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more practical and handy gadgets.